Hello, everyone. Welcome so much to my channel, Amplified Financial Education Academy. I am so excited that you're here to learn about how we can apply different financial strategies to help us to reach financial success today and in the future. So, as a intro to what we'll be talking about, the goal is to discuss different financial strategies that can be applied and put to use, no matter what stage of life that you're in your finances. So whether you're just beginning and this is a, financial literacy opportunity for you to become empowered, or you are someone who is already financially literate and just looking for next steps in your process, this is the channel for you. The goal is for you to be amplifying your finances, right? And so, what we'll talk about today is a very simple opportunity for you to get money on your money. Now, I know you have heard of making money while you sleep, right? And I know you're probably like, how in the world do people do that? Well, a really good product that everyone should have as a part of their financial plan is called a high yield savings account. And a high yield savings account is going to be a financial institution product, right? So you can get it at any type of institution that offers them. 9 times out of 10, they're going to be online, and there are rates that are going to be higher than the deposit account. So right now, if you have money sitting in your bank, your deposit account, savings account might be somewhere around 0.05%, if that, 0.01 at a lot of places, if you get interest at all on your money in the bank. So high yield savings accounts are an opportunity for you to get more money and grow your money while you sleep. The rates usually right now are starting at about 4% and higher. And you can go to different places online to figure out which one works best for you. Oftentimes, you don't have to do a minimum deposit for a high yield savings account. So if you want to just put something in there starting small, right? If you're just now starting on your financial journey of learning how to save, you can start with $5. I've done it before. And you can put $5 in there and, watch that money grow. So high yield savings accounts, they are accessible. You can put money in there, you can take money out. Like I said, the interest rates are typically 4% right now and higher. And even if interest rates go down, the beautiful things about a high yield savings account is that the rates are going to be higher typically than what you'll find at a bank or a CD. And so a CD is a certificate of deposit. That means you are giving the money a certain amount of money for a certain amount of time, and you're earning interest on that money for the amount of the term that the money is tied up. So it can be 6 months, 12 months, 24 months, 36 months, you are not supposed to actually touch that money. That money, if you do touch it, you typically have some type of penalty of, 30 days, 6 days, 90 days worth of interest, right? And so because interest rates for CDs are pretty much the same as interest rates for a high yield savings account right now, it's a really good opportunity for you to have your money accessible in a high yield savings account versus a CD. Now, when do you make the decision to go to a CD or another financial product? It's a really great question. I'm glad you asked. So, if rates start to decrease on high yield savings accounts and they are starting to trend towards the same as a CD, then it might make sense for you to put money in a CD versus a high yield savings account so that even if the money is locked up, it's locked into that savings account interest rate versus having a decline in the interest rate for a certain amount of time. So with a CD, you may say, all right, bank, I'm giving you, $1,000 and I want interest to be paid for 6 months. And that exact interest rate is going to be paid to me for 6 months. That is a great feature of a CD because you know that you're locking in that rate for that term. A high yield savings account, the rate can change on a daily basis. So I know I've been seeing rates decrease over the last few weeks, but they're still higher than any bank account, and they're about comparable to CDs right now. So if you are wondering if a high yield savings account is something that you should be putting your money in, The answer is yes. Even if you have your money earmarked for a certain goal over the next 12 to 18 months, 3 years, right? Having a 4% interest rate or a higher interest rate being paid on your money is going to help you to advance those goals and help you to build on what you have already. And a lot of questions that I get are around taxes in a high yield savings account. Listen, if you have a significant amount of money that you're putting away, and by significant, like you're making thousands of dollars in a high yield savings account, that's great. You will pay taxes on any interest that you gain in your high yield savings account. That is not a make or break type of situation where you should not have a high yield savings account. It's not a make or break. The taxes are not going to break your bank. It's not going to significantly impact your financial situation negatively, right? Because your money will be growing, and we all want our money to grow. That is a very vital part of your financial plan. So, with that being said, I hope this video has been educational. I hope it has been incredibly helpful for you. And please leave questions in the comments. Make sure you like and subscribe and be on the lookout for the next video. Bye.